Traveling solo in India is an enriching experience, offering a blend of culture, adventure and diversity. To ensure a safe and enjoyable trip, here are some must-follow tips.
1. Plan your itinerary in advance. Research your destinations thoroughly, including local culture, weather, and transportation options. Book accommodations and major transport in advance, especially during peak travel seasons.
2. Prioritize safety. Share your travel plans and itinerary with family or friends. Use trusted travel apps like Google Maps, Ola, or Uber for navigation and transportation. Avoid deserted areas, especially at night, and stick to well-lit, crowded spaces.
3. Dress modestly and respect local customs. Adhere to local cultural norms, particularly in religious or rural areas. Dressing modestly helps in blending in and avoiding unwanted attention.
Keep essential documents and items. Carry a photocopy of your passport, Idaho and visa. Keep digital copies in cloud storage. Bring a portable charger, universal adapter and a basic first aid kit.
Stay connected. Get a local SIM card, like Airtel or Geo, for affordable internet and communication. Inform your accommodation staff about your daily travel plans.
Be mindful of food and water. Stick to bottled or filtered water to avoid waterborne illnesses. Relish local cuisine but choose clean and hygienic restaurants or street food vendors. Use public transport wisely. Trains and buses are cost-effective but can be crowded. Opt for higher class tickets when possible, like AC coaches on trains. Ride-sharing and prepaid cabs are safer options in cities.
Trust your instincts. Politely decline overly curious individuals and avoid situations that make you uncomfortable. Trust your gut feeling when making decisions.
Learn basic phrases. Learning a few words in Hindi or the local language like Tamil or Bengali really helps in communication and building rapport with locals.
Stay insured. Invest in travel insurance to cover medical emergencies, cancellations, or theft.
Embrace local experiences. Engage in cultural activities like temple visits, festivals, or village tours. Participate in group excursions to meet fellow travelers.
By following these tips, you'll be prepared to explore India's vibrant landscapes, historical sites and diverse culture with confidence and ease. Enjoy your adventure.